Good morning, everyone. My name is Anil Narayan Khade. I am doing PhD in the Department of Zoology, Dr. Babasaheb Ambedkar, Marathwada University, Aurangabad, under the guidance of Honorable Professor Dr. C.J. Hevre, sir, the Department of Zoology, Dr. Babasaheb Ambedkar, Marathwada University, Aurangabad. The title of my topic is The Efficacy of Different Botanicals on the Larvae of Bombyx mori and Spodoptera species. Introduction. Bombyx mori is a domestic moth. It is widely used in sericulture. It produces commercially viable silk. Insects commonly contain two major hormones, juvenile hormone and ecdysone hormone. They play major role in their development. Insects contain high amount of juvenile hormone and first instar to fourth instar. In the fifth instar, the amount of 20-hydroxy-ecdysone is increased and it inhibits the expression of juvenile hormone. Due to the high amount of 20-hydroxy-ecdysone, molting process occurs within the insect and it is converted into the next developmental stage. Such kind of ecdysteroids are also synthesized in some plants as secondary metabolites. These ecdysteroids protect plants from phytophagous insects. It deters to insects or disrupt the molting of insect. These phytoecdysteroids are 20 times more active than zooecdysteroids. Some synthetic insecticides remain as it is in the soil for several years, which can alter the fertility of soil. It is necessary to avoid the use of hazardous chemical pesticides or fertilizers. There is need to find out such secondary metabolites from plants to overcome on serious agricultural pests. My idea to study the efficacy of some botanicals on the larval stage of Bombyx mori, to study the activity of synthetic ecdysone hormone on the larval stage of Bombyx mori, to study the effect of those botanicals on the biological parameters of larvae of Bombyx mori, to study and evaluate the effective botanicals against one of the important agricultural pests. Methodology which I will use in my research work: collection of plant material and preparation of extract. The plant material will be collected from different sites or will be purchased from market. It will be dried, ground to make fine powder. Powders of all plant materials will be stored in the airtight polythene bags. Each powder will be packed in filter paper and extract will be extracted in Soxhlet extraction apparatus. After the completion of extraction, the final extract will be kept open to evaporate the solvent, and remaining as stock solution extract will be stored in refrigerator until use. Insect rearing. The larvae of Bombyx mori will be reared in the laboratory under the photoperiodic regime of 12 hours light and 12 hours darkness on the natural diet. First to fourth instar larvae will be used in the experiment and they will be divided into different groups depending upon different plant extract and control group. Nutritional indices will be calculated according to equations used by Ward-Bayer on the basis of fresh body weight, dry weight of food consumed and dry weight of feces per larvae, and molting and mortality of insect will be analyzed. For further study, some agriculturally important pests will be also be reared and be used. Comparative study will be done on pest and Bombyx mori. Same as above mentioned biological parameters will be investigated. Conclusion: to promote use of plant material to produce organic insecticides to protect the crop from different pests. It will become as an alternative or substitute safe insecticides or pesticides than other pesticides, which are harmful to health and create environmental pollution. Thank you.